Simple cooking, simple cooking channel.
Just turn your stove on to medium just to start. Start with 1 cup of sugar. Any kind of sugar is fine for this. And then add 1 cup of water. So what we want to do is just bring this to the boil and just stir this until the sugar has dissolved. Okay, the sugar is dissolved. Now add in 4 cups of cranberries. You can use fresh or frozen. Personally, I like to use fresh. Just make sure you clean them before you add them to this. Just give them a good clean. And now we just give these a bit of a stir. What we do is return this to the boil. Then we reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes roughly, basically until the cranberries burst. So that's what we're looking for. We want the cranberries to burst. And this is just a very basic cranberry sauce recipe or method for making cranberry sauce. You can add other ingredients if you want. On occasion I'll mix in some chopped pecans. If you want, you can add some raisins or some currants. If you want, you can really just add just some blueberries just for added sweetness. Alright, these are pretty much done now. They've burst, so looking good. So what we do now is we take this off the heat, and you've got to let it cool completely at room temperature. Now that could vary depending on what time of year it is, etc. But I find that it takes at least 1 to 2 hours for this to cool at room temperature. And once that's cooled, then what we'll do is we put it in the fridge and we chill it. And once again, that depends on your fridge, what temperature you have it set to. Usually to chill this in the fridge after it's cooled will take another hour, hour and a half. Well, this cranberry sauce is ready. It's nice and chilled.